Hello everyone. For today, I will be going to discuss about the concept of entrepreneurship. So the concept of entrepreneurship, an entrepreneur is a person responsible for setting up a business or an enterprise. He has the initiative, skill for innovation, and who looks for high achievements. He is catalytic agent of change and works for the good of people. He puts up new greenfield projects that create wealth and open up many employment opportunities that leads to growth of other sectors. So as you can see the flow chart below, entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, and enterprises. These three indicates the concept of entrepreneurship. So first, the entrepreneur. The entrepreneur person, a person who is responsible to start an enterprise or his or her business. Entrepreneurship process or the process or action. The process of creation is called entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur is described as the actor, while entrepreneurship is the act. The outcome of the actor and the act is called the enterprise. Definitions of an entrepreneur. The word entrepreneur comes from the French word entreprendre, which means to undertake. To undertake means those individuals who undertake the risk of a new enterprise. According to Richard Cantillon, as a person who pays a certain price to a product to resell it at an uncertain price, thereby making decisions about obtaining and using the resources while consequently admitting the risk of enterprise. So Richard Cantillon describes as an entrepreneur is adventurer who invests in the purchase of goods and materials with the incentive of selling this in the future. So the term entrepreneur is that indicates of their proactive involvement in trade and travel or exercising the ability to take risk and identify and avail fruitful business opportunities. According to Adam Smith, an individual who undertakes the formation of an organization for commercial purposes by recognizing the potentials demand for goods and services and thereby acts as an economic agent and transforms demand into supply. Using Adam Smith insight, entrepreneurship can be defined as the study of human actions that lead to changes in the division of labor. According to Joseph Scampeter, entrepreneurs are innovators who use the process of entrepreneurship to shatter the status quo of the existing products and services, to set new products, new services. So, according to Joseph Scampeter, an entrepreneur is a person who is willing and able to convert a new idea or invention into successful innovation. And lastly, Peter F. Drucker. According to him, an entrepreneur is one who always searches for changes, responds to it, and exploits it as an opportunity. He believes in increasing the value and consumer satisfaction. Thus, a professional manager who mobilizes resources and allocates them to make a commercial gain from an opportunity is also called an entrepreneur. So Peter F. Drucker defined entrepreneurship is also a discipline. that all organizations and individuals have the potential to be entrepreneurial. So if we're going to compare the entrepreneur to entrepreneurship, is that an entrepreneur is someone who locates the need of society and tries to meet the same with his or her innovative idea, where entrepreneurship refers to the process of establishing a business entity intending to get a profit as a return. And lastly, the enterprise. So the enterprise is the business organization that is formed and which provide goods and services, create jobs, contributes to national income, exports and contributes to the overall economic development. So it means that this is a project or undertaking, especially a difficult, complicated, or risky. This is a unit or economic organization and also a kind of activity, especially or particularly in a business organization. Thank you for listening.